don't know who's different.
No, let's get him. Can we add him? Let's do 4 pair. Let's all game up. Let's go. You know how to get him? He's your other. He's Somali. This guy right here is Somali.
Yeah.
LB say wallahi Somali mate.
Wallah wallahi.
Hold up. I'm just now meeting people. LB. Okay, nice to.
Listen. Wait.
Take my hand real quick, bro. That's kind of rude, you know.
Wait. Guys, can you go to Diffiq and tell him go with the Adan guy? Then he will invite me. Because if we don't do that, wallah, he's not gonna come, bro. Diffiq is an uncle. You don't know how to use the phone.
Listen. Trigger. Can you bring me a little girl? يعني my size. Can you bring me?
Okay. What do you mean?
يعني على فدون. Can you bring me?
Alaf Dawn. Oh yeah, I got you. So you know about my Alaf Dawns. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's funny. It's very funny.
Thank you. How come I never seen you? Like where you been? Like I don't understand.
No, you've seen him. This guy. No, this guy's head. You've seen his head, bro. I'm 1,000,000% sure.
No. People. No, I don't mean little girls. I mean like my age. يعني 21.
How old are you? 21? You're 21? Oh, mashallah.
This guy doesn't mean little girls like underage. He means dwarfs, like he's same tall.
I got you. I know exactly what he's saying. 18 and up. You know that, mashallah.
Can you get somebody? No. Can you get somebody so we can do an e-date? This guy.
Oh really? He be doing e-date?
Trigger. I have money. I have everything. House, everything. I have.
Okay. First of all, he said you're 6'2". How tall are you, Abu?
Like 5'2".
MashaAllah.
Wallahi, he's not 5'2".
That is crazy. Okay, so can we do like a height check? Can we stand up or something?
Oh, they're gonna ban me. They're gonna think I'm a little guy, a little boy, you know.
Okay.
This guy is 3 feet.
Wait, I thought you said you're 5'2".
Benswa. I'm like 4 feet. 4, yeah. 4.
عادي والله في معلومات. Okay, واحكي على ده مكفهم. I'm still shocked.
وقرب أنت.
What? Thank you so much. Abu, I agree. Like you can't do that though because like I'm not single at the moment, but I will be single in 10 minutes.
Oh wait! What happened to Ahmed that was calling you?
Where's Ahmed?
Where's Ahmed though?
Okay, like not too much on Ahmed. Okay, that was just like my past. Like don't do that. That was a month ago. Don't do that.
Listen.
Month ago, wallah, it was not a month ago, wallah.
A couple of weeks ago. Are you serious? How are you gonna tell me when I went on it? Like when I stopped talking to Ahmed? I know Ahmed. I dated Ahmed.
With you when Ahmed called you, and you said, "Ahmed, stop calling me." Ahmed is hustling, wallah, billah. Shout out to Ahmed, wallah.
Wallah, shout out. Where's Ahmed?
Ahmed is Mr. anything goes. But listen, do you guys want to battle or do something?
How are we gonna battle? We need one more person.
We can battle 3 ways.
I have a question for you, Abu. Do you know Sunny or Mob? Do you know Mob?
Who's Mob? Mob.
Yes. No. There's a guy named Mob.
No.
Where is Mob? What?
Who's Mob? So I thought he knows Sunny. You know Sunny?
Who's
Sunny?
You guys don't know Sunny? Gabar Adan Ahwa. She be battling and stuff.
No. هل قبر مارت قبر جاون قرح بدن سمال you can.
Okay, so we're still on the topic.
Listen. Do you actually have someone 4 feet? This guy, a woman.
Listen. Trigger. If you bring me in my size.
In my size is fucking mental, bro. I don't make you sound like that though. In my size, bro. Come on.
Oh, it's my size.
I am weak. So listen, you guys. I'm gonna go on the look. I'll be back for you guys. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
You're too famous, though. Yeah, good.
No.
Go.
Why are you too famous?
Because we need daqaf. Okay, so you guys get daqaf. Come on.
Where is daqaf? What?
Dafaq.
Difiq.
Let's get him. Get him.
The fuck? Yeah, the fuck. Yeah, the fuck. Yeah, we're gonna get the fuck. Yeah, the fuck. He's gonna come.
Yeah.
The fuck you mean? The fuck you mean you're gonna get that? Yeah.
So how are we gonna... No. Kan inta jooga mujeda kan inta jooga waa istumir banaa. Ana wax ku sheega LB sumida galna ninkan cadeenkii.
waa ku maqal karaa hayo waa ku
maqla mida galina.
والله عفيري.
والله waa ku maqla.
Oh, for real? No, how did he even can in he's a good guy.
ترجع
no,
He's really a good guy. I like him. Bajaj Abu, 1 second Abu, you guys. Bajaj, Umar, can you guys go get Umar? Umar mahal dahi man to battle in Asamena ahead when.
Who is Umar?
Guys, talk to him in the comments.
Listen.
1 sec.
I'm gonna bring you a lion. Today, please.
He's gonna smoke it, wallah.
You guys, I love y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys in a second. I'll be right back. Give me a second. Okay, Bajaj Shalewa Balani Mahasusata. Marka maxaa la dhahay Umar kii maxaa ku dhacay isaga intuu u bixi